Welcome to this series of compilations of tree work fails. Tree work often goes wrong. Sometimes people are stupid, unaware of the situation and risks, untrained, reckless, or just plain unlucky. Sometimes the tree itself fails. Whatever the reason, watch carefully and learn from it so you don't make the same mistakes or hire a professional. I hope this video will help raise awareness and therefore reduce accidents in this dangerous profession. If you are the original owner of a video and would like credit for it, please email me at info@primarygarden.nl.
Wat in brokken te zwaar is. Ik kreeg er niet opgetild. Ja, dan los.
Play.
Holy shit!
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Yeah. Fine.
Are you okay?
We got it.
Yeah.
Did you record that?
See you guys later.
Csenge telefonált, jöjjön.
Igen? Jaj, most gyere.
Baszd meg!
Nick!
Oh shit. Oh man, did he just cut his arm off?
Hurry up and get that shit. Ow, cleaned up. Side dog. How bad is it?
Not bad.
Where'd you hit it? On the tree or the tree? What do you think?
I'd say that's probably chainsaw. Can I videotape it?
Yeah. Just give me something to wrap it up.
That's pretty deep, dude. You need stitches.
I don't need stitches.
No, that's seriously, that's too fucking deep.
Dude, that's really dumb, dude. You're really stupid.
Damn,
Okay.
that thing's just gonna snap.
Yeah, what are you doing? You just fell so far, dude.
Thanks for watching and be safe. See you next time.